I heard it's supposed to go, it might go this time. That looks like it's going to be even cooler.
Come on. You can get your shoes wet.
Oh. Now where's the big opening? This is the place that was tight, Mom. You're right.
Oh my god.
Watch your head and your feet.
I feel like stand up.
You won't be able to.
Wait, guys.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Joey, wait. Holy shit. I can't fit through here.
Honestly, Mom, I'm never gonna go up to somebody that crawls in things.
Good.
Oh, I hear them down there. So, yeah,
Seriously,
we're going
don't
over.
walk ahead to where you cannot see.
Oh, God, we're gonna have to get down.
Oh, this is slippery.
We could have just went through there.
Joey, don't go falling down no holes.
Oh, no. My stuff fell.
Seriously.
Somebody can have that. Dude, why did you such crazy the other over? Never mind, I'm definitely gonna go.
How the hell am I supposed to fit through here?
You're not, that's okay.
You guys just go on without me. I'm stuck.
I see lights up back there. People are not there. Oh, we're there.
Joe, why don't you leave the
Backpack.
leave the backpack? Turn me, man.
Remember that cave you had?
Jill.
Get down on your hands for me. No, Mom, don't mention that. I swear to God. I'll hit you.
Wait.